Yeah, hello friends, I'm back again. It's your boy Jeromekeys. Today I want to show you something also very special, which is how to make your Ocarina sound very cool and very good without some modulation. To make it sound good without some modulation, so you go to your Ocarina, search for your Ocarina. Yeah, this is my Ocarina. Then you click on your voice set. You click on tab 1, tab 2. Then the depth, you put it at the ratio of 24. While your vibrator speed at the ratio of 23. 23. Yeah, 23. You can see. You can lower the octave to make it sound very cool. You can see it's very cool now without the modulation. Then to save the sound, you just go to your save here. Then you click on the save button. So I'll change it to my name, which is Jeromekeys. Yeah, Jeromekeys. Yeah, we are good to go. Yeah. Then you click on OK. Yeah, the sound is now saved. You can see there Jeromekeys. You can see even if you off the keyboard and on it, your sound will still be there. You just go to your expansion user here. So you click on the expansion user. You can see Jeromekeys there. Click on your Jeromekeys. You can see your sound is there. So thanks friends, thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like and share. God bless you.